Presenting GoPro HERO10 Black Waterproof Action Camera in the color black. This camera comes with a revolutionary processor that assures high-resolution photos and videos. With an upgraded 23-megapixel photo clarity and 5.3K video resolution, this camera promises unbelievable quality. The new GP2 engine of this camera changes the image capturing feature completely. Packed with responsive touch controls and twice the frame rate with HERO10, this camera is the fastest of its kind. The water-shedding hydrophobic lens ensures durability along with a higher tilt limit to get the perfect angle with each click. It also comes with Hyper-Smooth 4.0 for good low-light performance. Transfer all your photos and videos via fast and reliable connectivity through a lightning-fast USB connection. It comes with touch rear screens and a front LCD for better image and video capture control. The product box comes with a HERO10 black camera, battery, a Type-C cable and a mounting and thumb screw. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.